Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been doing okay, doing alright. I hope you had a good week. My week was okay. It's like 12 a.m. I think. No, it's 11 p.m. on Thursday night. And I'm a little tired, but I just thought I should record because if I don't record today, I don't think I have time because family and stuff is coming over. But anyway, today we're just going to be talking about the Converse Chuck Taylor lugged, the lugged Converse. I got these yesterday and they are so cute, y'all. This is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see. This is what they look like, and yeah, we're just gonna be like talking about how it fits, the sizing, how you can style. I'll show you guys a few outfits and how I would personally wear these. But yeah, this is what they look like. These are so cute. Okay, so adorable. But yeah, these are the shoes, and first off, I'm gonna talk about sizing. So I'm usually a size 10 in women's, but I got these in a 9.5. Well, I can fit a 9.5, but lately I've been going towards the 10. Like for about a year and a half now, most of my shoes are in a 10. But I read online that these run big a little because these are my first pair of Converses, so I don't really know how they fit. But a lot of people are like they run big, so I did a half size down, and I'm really happy about it because they fit me perfectly with socks, and they fit fine without socks. So I would recommend that you go half size down. For reference, in Air Forces I wear a men's 8, and in Jordans I wear a men's 8 as well. I think that's a women's 10. So yeah, but in these I have a 9.5 women's. These are so comfortable. Some people are like, it feels like you're not wearing anything. I wouldn't go as far as to say that, but they're really comfortable. Like, I could wear these all day and I don't think my feet will hurt me. They're roomy, they're soft, they're comfortable. It feels like really good material. Like the platform part, it just feels good quality. The clothing is soft and it has like a cushioning inside. I don't know if all Converse are like this because it's my first pair, like I said, but it feels like it has a very light padding, which I do appreciate. And these are just so adorable, y'all. So I would definitely recommend these. These were $70. I got them from Nordstrom. You can also get them from the Converse website. It's completely up to you. And I would just show you guys how I would style these, so I guess we could just jump right into that. Alright, so this first outfit, it has a soft aesthetic to it. I would say it's just a long sleeve with the collar look, and I'm having my cow bag. I got that from Shein, and a cute white skirt with the Vans. The consistency of black and white. Black and white is why I love this look. Very simple. I would recommend that you wear these shoes with anything above your ankles. Please not wear these with skinny jeans, skirts, mom jeans, distressed jeans would go. But yeah, this is really cute. So yeah. Alright, the second outfit is a basic street outfit. I just have the baggy tee, the chain, and the shoes, and the small bag. This whole outfit is from Shein. The bag, the shirt, the jeans. Same with the last outfit. Everything from head to toe is from Shein except for the shoes. And I feel like this is a really basic and comfy outfit. And the shoe is just like really good for everyday wear. You can dress it up, dress it down. So this is another way that I would style these shoes. Alright, so the third outfit is just a, basic top skirt outfit. I got the top from Shein. I got the black bag from Shein. It's the same bag from the last outfit.
And I got the plaid skirt from Nordstrom. I feel like the red just really pops out, and the white and the black from the shoes just complement it a lot. And I really like this outfit. It's cute. It's not just too up or too down. It's like a day-to-day hanging out with your friends or running errands type of outfit. It's really cute, you know, and I feel like the shoes really go with it. Yeah. Okay, so the fourth outfit is, you know, a little basic, but I think this is decent. I don't really like the necklace. I don't think it really goes. I was wearing this earlier and I just got lazy to take it off. But I feel like these were supposed to be mom jeans, but they got shrunk in the dryer, unfortunately. But yeah, jeans above the ankle, they go really good with these shoes. Please, like I said, no, wear these with skinny jeans. Another red top, and I feel like the shoe really complements red. Skinny jeans, or skinny jeans, mom jeans, supposed to be mom jeans, look really good with it. The bag is also a good accessory. Accessorizing will always make any outfit better. So yeah. Alright, so this outfit is the same graphic baggy tee we had earlier, but I just paired them with some brown pants, and I feel like they really go. I love brown. Yeah, and I feel like it matches the shoes. Graphic tees with the shoes and like some jeans will always look good, because I feel like Converse is like a street brand, and you know, street outfits like that really go. So yeah, same black bag from earlier. I just grabbed the same one because, you know, I was tired. But yeah, I think this looks good.
Alright guys, that concludes my lookbook and how I would style the Converse. Overall, I would give these a 10 out of 10. Very good material, super comfortable, good price. The only thing is just knowing what size to get. So I would recommend going half size down. These are my first Converse, totally did not disappoint. Yeah, and these are just so cute. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the looks that I gave you, and I hope that they inspired some of your looks. I'm about to go to bed, y'all. I'm so tired. That's why I like my outfits. They're so quick. Like, I put those together literally 2 minutes before I shot the video. Like, I just threw a bunch of clothes on my bed and I was like, all right, we're gonna just use whatever we have right here. If you're interested in any of the items that I showed here, just leave a comment down below and I will put the link in the description. So yeah. But also, I am 2 subscribers away from 100 subscribers, and that is crazy because I'm just imagining like 100 people in a room, and that is crazy. And I appreciate all of you, every single person that has watched my videos. If this is your first video of mine that you're seeing, thank you. If you've watched several of my videos, thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Well, right now it's Friday. When I started it was Thursday because it was like 11. Now it's Friday because it's 12 a.m. This is going up on Monday, and I believe by Monday we should have 100 subscribers. So thank you guys in advance. I appreciate you guys so much. I've been doing this YouTube thing for like 2 months now, or 1.5, and I'm really happy with my progress, and just want to say thank you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, night, week. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Bye. See you in the next one.